Hi, it's Chrissy here. I had a question from a customer asking about the PowerPoint lower thirds I provided as a bonus recently, specifically whether they could be exported with transparency so they could be used with other video programs. Well, PowerPoint by default doesn't export with transparency, but there is a workaround to do that. So what you need to do is set up the slide so once the video is rendered, you can import it into a video editor that has green screen capability, such as Camtasia or ScreenFlow if you're on a Mac. I've got the Auto Repairs lower third open in PowerPoint, and I click on the Design tab on the ribbon, then Format Background, and I'll change the colour to RGB code 02550. And this gives it a very bright green background, but don't worry about that because our video editor is going to be removing that in the next step, and then we'll be left with the transparency that we import the MP4 that we wanted. And then once the video is rendered, you want to import the MP4 into whichever video editor you're using. I'm using Camtasia 9, and I've imported the MP4 and a background image I'm going to use for this demo. I'll drag both of them down to the timeline with the lower third on the top, and then with the lower third selected, I'll choose the colour removal effect and I drag that onto the lower third clip. Now Camtasia has automatically detected the bright green background and removed the majority of it from the clip. But as you can see, there's still a green tinge, as well as some green around the lower third itself, so we'll need to tweak the colour removal settings until we get something we're happy with. I found in Camtasia 9 that if I adjust the tolerance level, it removes all of the green tinge almost immediately, but I'm still left with some green around the lower third. But if I tweak it even further, I can get rid of the rest of the green, and up to around 68% is what I found to be the sweet spot on this particular occasion. It will probably be different depending on which lower third you use and which video editor you're using, so just tweak things until you get the effect that you're after. And there you have it, a lower third created in PowerPoint, but now available for use in any video creator with the transparency that we wanted but couldn't get directly from PowerPoint.